Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. The light's over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now once the hatch is open, we have to get the light out of the body. I'm going to show you the process on the right side one. The lighting is better over here. We have to first get this plastic cover off, which is held in place by two clips. For that, get a Phillips head screwdriver and screw the middle part of the clip out a little bit like this. At this point, just grab the entire clip and pull it out and it'll come right out. Now repeat the process for the other clip. Same thing, just screw the middle part out a little bit and then just get the entire clip and pull it right out. Now get a flathead screwdriver, put it right behind there and then pull this cover out a little bit, and then we will try and pry it out just the way I'm showing. Put it over there and the edges to this clips over there right by the light and it'll come off. Be patient, it may take you a few seconds to get this cover out. And out it comes. Now you will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a Phillips head screwdriver to take off these two bolts which are holding the light in place. Get it out one by one, make sure you don't lose them, keep them somewhere safe. Now we need to slide this light out towards the back of the car, but first grab the light and rock it loose a little bit and then try to slide it, it'll pop right out. 1 and 2 cutouts which go on the two white clips over there, and this pin which goes right inside that hole there. Now we need to undo the electrical connector. Just press over there and get the electrical connector off of the light. We need to change the entire light assembly because we have LED brake lights over here. You cannot just change the LED brake bulbs, you have to change the entire assembly. Check the link in the description to get the new one from Amazon and then simply click this electrical connector back in place to secure it. Now let's put the light back in, and when you do so, you see there's one hole that's where the bolt goes, and the second hole is where the alignment pin goes in there. And this also needs to clear, this hole needs to line up, and the light needs to sit flush in the body. It shouldn't be sticking out. So just get it in position, and once everything looks aligned, just give it a push. See, this is what the final result should look like. The light is not sticking out, that is looking good. Now let's just go ahead and put those bolts back on, hand tighten them down. And then again, you can either use a socket ratchet combination or the Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it. And now let's get the cover back in place. You have to sort of maneuver it around the way I'm showing to get it in position. And once it sits in like this, just press over here. One clip, second clip over there. And now let's get those other clips. Get the outer part of the clip in there first. And then once it's sitting in place, get the inner part to push it in to secure it. Repeat the process for the other one. And that's about it. I hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.